In Part 5 of the Object-Oriented Programming series on building a social networking platform, the focus is on enhancing the login functionality. This segment emphasizes the importance of secure user authentication and session management. Key concepts include the implementation of user credentials verification using hashed passwords to protect sensitive data. The tutorial guides developers on creating a robust login form that captures user input and validates it against stored data in a database. Error handling is also covered, ensuring users receive appropriate feedback during the login process. Additionally, the series discusses session handling to maintain user state across the application, enabling features like Remember Me functionality. By the end of this part, developers gain a clearer understanding of integrating secure login mechanisms within their social network platform, laying the groundwork for further user interaction features and enhancing overall application security.